Zimbabwe has never been this close to a civil war, a source close to developments within ZANU-PF, and in Vice President Kosano Chiwenga's corner, he said. Sarabina Mashukobla Yukapangwana Chinzi, Zimbabwe has never been this close to a civil war, says VP Chiwenga source. And was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibida Monopobla Chinzi. Their comment comes amid the strong push for President Mnangagwa to stay in office beyond his constitutionally mandated two-term limits through Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3, Feb 3. Feb 3, which is now being debated in the House of Parliament, will also extend to the Parliament's life. In quotes, we have never been this close to a civil war because of this bill, and those within Mnangagwa's faction within ZANU-PF know it, said the source. Despite the debates and all, there is still a certain level of hesitation because within ZANU-PF, the fight never ends, and MPs know this. When Mnangagwa said whoever wins, wins, that was interpreted as a challenge by those within Chiwenga's own faction. Now we wait to see if those pushing for Feb 3 will benefit from it. Chiwenga, who has not explicitly spoken against the bill in public, is cited to be against it in its totality. He has given subtle comments in speeches about remembering why they went to war, one man, one vote, about not overstaying, and even gave a chilling sermon about a king who sought God's approval to extend his reign but spent the years in jail. We are not panicking. This is a battle where Chiwenga will do the least, and Zimbabweans will themselves save the day, added the source. Mnangagwa's faction has deep pockets, some of which have been accused of corruption and state capture. The likes of businessmen KUTYA and Wigno Jivayo stand accused of financing the intended soft coup that will all but extinguish Chiwenga's hopes of landing the presidency. According to disgruntled retired army generals, Tagure has set aside a $31 million base to purchase loyalty from legislators and ensure the bill sails through without any hassle. Already, some opposition members of parliament, such as Susan Matsunga, have, as expected, openly backed the bill, showing praises for Mnangagwa and declaring that he needs 2 additional years to ensure the development Zimbabwe has been missing since the joining government in 1980. Toma developments are kudapangwa inai. Bila comment section meduzo fukuro elimu tulipa msape chitu kwa ichi. Subscribe or like, and turn on the bell icon.